I'm so glad that you joined me today. That means your keto journey is continuing. Good for you. I really appreciate it. Whether it's your first time or your returning time, we welcome you here. So today we are going to make a delicious broccoli cheddar soup. It is so easy. You're going to love it. And I've seen other recipes out there, but they're not as easy as this one. So some broccoli cheddar soup is going to be delicious. And again, so easy. So here we go. We got some frozen broccoli florets. Really easy. Just grab a big bag of those. I didn't even use the whole bag. I'm using half of this bag because this is like 2 pounds. So really, if you want to make a double batch, depending on what your crockpot size is, but I just use half, and I'm going to save this for next time. I'm going to show you what we have in the pot all ready to go, and as you can see, that's my broccoli in there. And I added just a little bit. I added just a little bit of red onion because I had some left over. And you can do that. Whatever you have left over, just toss it in there. Okay, so we've got that. And then what we're going to do, we're going to put in the rest of the ingredients, and then we're just going to leave it, and we're going to forget it. And it's going to cook for 5 hours. So it's a good one to start when you're on your way to work. Or lots of times I'll start it at night and let it just cook the whole night through. And I wake up in the morning, it's all done. And then I just put it into serving jars. Like if I make a spaghetti sauce, like buying one of the low carb types on the market, I'll save that jar and rinse it out, and I'll save it for soup. So like when I was going to work, not working now, thankfully, but when I was going to work, that came in really handy because I could take that jar of soup and then just heat it up in the microwave at work. So anyway, with no further ado, let's get on with it.
So here we are, the broccoli cheese soup all ready in the crock pot. Now that's so simple. You just toss all those ingredients together, and then you just put the lid on, and that is going to cook. Let's get that lid on. And that is going to cook for 4 to 5 hours on low. And then voila, dinner will be done, and you could make some keto garlic bread or some keto cinnamon rolls to go along with that. That would really make a nice dinner, or even just simple hamburger, some chicken, whatever you like. Any type of accompaniment, but that will come in handy on a really nice cold winter day. And as you can see, it is snowing out there. Lovely, lovely. So the soup will come in handy, that's for sure. Hi. Hey, do you remember the broccoli cheese soup we made? Oh my gosh. Well, here it is. And it's really delicious. So take a look. Can you see it? So this is what it looks like when it's all done. Very nice and creamy. If it gets a little thick when you're cooking, you can just add some chicken stock or even some water. And let's have a taste. Mm. My mouth is doing a happy dance already. Let's see. Mm. Very good. Mm. It's really great on a day like today. Mm. Enjoy.